I'm going to show you how to install brand new fence posts when your existing ones have failed and your fence is about to fall down. Dig a hole in between each fence panel about 600mm deep and 400mm wide. Mix a stiff concrete 4:1 mix and half fill the hole. Tamper it down with the edge of your shovel. Place your post into position, give it a gentle tap, check that it's level. You can always secure this with a batten onto something stable like another fence post, just to make sure it stays level and in position before you apply the rest of the concrete around the base of the post. Leave this to dry for 24 hours, then force the old fence back into position where the new post is. Hold this together with a clamp and drive some large screws through an angle bracket. You can do this at the top, middle and bottom. If you want more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.